Immediately after acquisition, I started hiring BD guys and ladies, and one after the other didn't work, didn't work, didn't work. And by the way, hiring in commercial roofing is extremely expensive. It's ridiculous.
Really?
Can't find talent for nothing. And we finally landed on a business development lady about a year ago, 13 months, and she's been with us. She's gaining traction, but it's such a long process
Yeah.
to gain the confidence and to have the consumers see you as an authority in the space that it's just that it's a very, very long engagement, very long process. Now I've what I've done recently is I've hired another expert and another account manager. So we're definitely building the business development side of things. We are definitely going into 2026 with a great strategy of outbound business development. We're excited about because the phone is still ringing. We had a great year, so we're just going to add to it. But now, what's different between now and then is that then I I was recruiting for talent and just kind of bringing anybody who would say yes.
Yeah.
Now I'm very intentional. And again, we have the reputation and we have a talent wants to see talent. Talent wants to see that you already have something cool happening that they want to come and join. And that's really what really happened. We got the flywheel moving, and now it's attracting not only new customers but also talent, and that's the difference. And it's hard, right? What's first, chicken or the egg? It's hard to
Yeah.
get that flywheel going.
Yeah. So when you say you're intentional about what you're looking for, so what are you looking for?
So we've just hired a gentleman who was very high up, a C-suite level, with one of the manufacturers in the industry.
Okay.
And what that means, he knows everybody and is
Got it.
extremely well respected. So that's what I mean. You just want to get people, you just want to get people who are very, very ingrained in this market, in the industry, and are very well known. And the other person that we've hired is somebody who's coming in from our direct competitor, a lot larger company than us,
Nice.
but they're coming over because of instability in that company after being bought out by PE.
Nice.
So again, same level, very high level account manager with them coming over here. And it's just one of those things where you start attracting the right people when you get the right thing going.